Commodore 64. My friend is Commodore 64.
I know Sega Genesis. You are the best. Right, Atari 2600?
Right. And also, I take dress up. Well, Sega Genesis, Commodore 64. I know. And you are going to church. And also, Sega Genesis are going to supermarket.
Well, here's Pluto.
Oh, okay then. See you later. I'm going to supermarket. Goodbye.
Ladies and gentlemen, the old video games are made in 1977 or 1982. And here's Atari 2600.
Hey there. Let's get started. I'm a baby in 1977. And Commodore 64 is a baby back in 1982.
Any question? Yes, Olaf. Yes, I know it's made in Atari 2600, made in 1977, and Commodore 64, made in 1982. I'm not Melt. I got to go home. I love Atari 2600.